Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the school holidays, I was not of nowhere, just the street and gather with family only. There we were with each other joking laughter. I am good happy with these holidays because really have time to get together with the parents time. Was running along vacation exhausted and that time in my house again, no activities, anything well. Of course, bored because I was an only child, happiness no diamonds, but all that there is no brother, but I have a cousin to entertain just so. Yeah, okay, to make our not bored vacation time that already ran out summer. I had to go back to Makassar to continue my students, and vacation time is good and now fun there. I love my parents. Thank you.